Put Vaseline in the sink, and you will never want to use it again in the traditional way. Also, if you continue watching until the end, I will show you why you need to put a roll of toilet paper in the refrigerator. And if you have old razors and knives that don't cut in your house, I will also show you a way to restore them and make them very sharp using water and aluminum foil. So let's get to know what it's like to put Vaseline in the sink. The first thing you should do is take a clean rag, soak it in water, and then pass it over the sink. We will do this to remove the excess salt from it. Then take a little toilet paper and dry the excess moisture so that it is very dry. Now we will use the main ingredient, which is Vaseline. Take a teaspoon and spread it around the sink. Take advantage and tell me from which country you are watching me to send you a greeting in a next one. Once spread, take another piece of toilet paper and water the Vaseline evenly over the entire sink. After a few minutes, the sink will have become water resistant, so it will prevent it from corroding when the water sticks to it. And at the same time, it will be clean and shiny. You can spread it on all the sinks in your house and they will not rust. And for the second trick, I will teach you why you should put toilet paper in your refrigerator. For this, we will need a roll of baking paper and baking soda. Take a container and then add 100 milliliters of water. Then you just have to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix very well until they are completely integrated. Then take the toilet paper and with the help of the spoon, soak the paper with the mixture. Once it is well soaked, you just have to take it to the refrigerator. When storing food, the refrigerator can start to smell bad. But if you put this inside, the paper along with the baking soda will absorb all the bad smell and keep it with a more neutral aroma. Now I will show you how you can make your knives very sharp and at the same time how you can restore the shavers when they no longer cut. For this, I will take a piece of aluminum foil, divide it into 2 parts, and then wrap it until it forms 2 balls. Now I will take one of the balls and rub it very well on the blade edge. When doing friction, the aluminum will remove the corrosion particles on the knife and at the same time restore the edge. And in the same way, we will take the other aluminum foil ball and rub it on the edges of the old shavers for a minute. Then you must put it in hot water for 5 minutes, and you will notice that they will cut again as when you bought them on the market. If you have come this far, let me know which of these tricks was your favorite. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more content similar to this.